In this video, we'll talk about a 5-second pocket option strategy that works most of the time, which gives you profitable trades if you use it in the correct way. So watch this video very carefully. And the strategy is very simple. We are not going to use any sorts of indicator, just a naked chart and a concept of support and resistance. So here you can see market seems to be in a support area right now at here. So we can make trade in the same direction where the market will try to head. Okay, and most of the time our trades can go right, but this time our trade has gone wrong. That's fine. We'll try to find in here also. You can see it is in the support area, right? So whenever the timer hits 1 second, we'll make trade in the same direction. And we made loss in this trade too, but no worries, we are going to make profit. Here you can see it is in the resistance area, so we made the trade in the direction where the market could go. So we made a profit in our third trade. So let's see. Here you can see how beautifully it has started to move off from support. Okay, so this is also a kind of area where resistance can happen, but we may trade a little bit in the lower direction. However, our trade has gone right. See, in any strategy, not all of your trades are going to go right. Okay, so you need to find a strategy that gives most of your trades right. Okay, here you can see we have made profit in this. All the simple concept, wherever you feel that there is a support and resistance, and when the timer hits 1 second, here also you can see there is a type of support area at here, right? So we'll make trade whenever the timer hits 1 second in the same direction where the market is trying to move. And let's see what happens. So we made profit in this trade too. But if you see, our initial two trades were lost. Okay, in that case, if you get worried and don't make trade, then you will never make the profit. Okay, so here you can see we start to move off from the support area, right? So it seems like there is a resistance area at here, so we can take the risk, but let's wait and try to. Okay, so we took the risk in that 1 second. This trade will go wrong. That's fine, some trades can go. You don't need to find some major support or resistance. Okay, you just need to find the area where most probably the market is in support or resistance. So here you can see, there I can see a simple support. So whenever the timer hits 1 second, we'll make trade in the same direction where the market can move. So we made loss in this trade. However, here you can see market is in the middle. This is also in the middle. So let's try to find. Here you can see a strong support type of area, right? At that time we made this trade and we are in profit. So let's keep on making trade. Here you can see the resistance area. We make trade a little bit late here, but anyways we made the profit. So let's try to find. Here you can see a resistance area. If we had made trade at here, we could go in profit. Also guys, if you want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account by using the social trading feature of pocket option, and do join my free telegram channel and see the latest instructions there on how you can join our copy trading. So you just can practice this in your demo account also. Here you can see a resistance area, most probably, sorry, your support area, but this trade has gone in loss. That's fine. So let's try to move on and find other places where our trade can go right. Okay, so let's keep on searching. No any. So here is the resistance area, but market is in middle at here. So let's switch to another concept. Here you can see it is in the support area, right? Yes, we made a trade in the good place at here. So let's see. Yeah, we made profit.